So hi guys, welcome to Art with Praveen. Today in this video we are going to see how to make a drip irrigation system with only 10 rupees. So let's get into the video. Please subscribe our channel and press the like button and share with your friends. Okay friends, the material required are 2-liter water bottle. Put a hole on it at the bottom of the bottle and cut the front side, and 1/4 inch of a tube with 60 centimeter length, and sellotape, double side tape, shield, scissors and a flux coil. Let's make our Okay friends, now we can make our drip irrigation system. First take the bottle and put a hole on the bottom of the bottle and insert the tube. Cover it with shield properly so that the water will not leak at the point. Friends, adjust the hole to the size of the tube. Now take the shield. There will be two parts. Take the two parts equally and then mix it well. Then paste there. Paste it properly friends. Then only the water will not leak there. Let it dry for 2 hours. After 2 hours, see that the shield will be dry. Put one hole near to the bottle in the tube and make another hole, a small hole at the end of the tube. Take the scissors and cut a piece of double side tape as shown there and paste it at the bottom of the bottle. Stick in some place where you want. I am sticking in the top of the pot. Adjust the bottle to your needs and stick there. Now take the tube. At the end of the tube, take a piece of double side tape and rotate it and cover it so that we can prevent the water flows at the hole. So our project is ready. Well done. Let's check our project. See, our drip irrigation system is ready. Now let's pour the water. Now I am pouring the water into the bottle. Now you can see how the water droplets come from the tube. From this drip irrigation, you can prevent many waters. You can save waters, and the plants also can get the water properly by drop. Our project is successfully ready, so please subscribe our channel and press the bell button. So please like and share and comment. Ravi signing off.